A 60-year-old patient, a school teacher, asked me last week, can Lumin kill coronavirus from my CPAP mask? And here is the research. Dr. Coley, a physicist at Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit, states that ultraviolet C at a specific wavelength of 254 nanometers has been successfully used to inactivate H1N1 and SARS-CoV and MERS-CoV. She also cites a study published recently, June 26, which confirms that ultraviolet C also eliminates SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus responsible for COVID-19 illness. Lumin does use ultraviolet rays of 254 nanometer and has been lab tested to kill viruses and bacteria in just 5 minutes. The researcher at this lab in Texas inoculated an N95 respirator with coronavirus and then put it in Lumin UV sanitizer, and a week later they found that it killed 99.94% of the colonies of COVID-19 producing SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. So remember, Lumin kills 99.94% colonies of coronavirus, but not 100%. So you should still do soap and warm water cleaning regularly. You should still change the mask liner as recommended, change the filter, change the mask itself regularly, and never touch the inside of the mask. Keep the area surrounding the CPAP machine clean and practice social distancing also. Use CPAP even when traveling, even when napping, and get the most out of your sleep and of your life. Thank you. God bless you. Be well. Stay safe.